Petland in Topeka is asking for your help in locating a bird that was stolen from their store. New at 6, KSNT News reporter James Ryan has more on this special parrot and what owners are willing to do to see the bird returned.
It's hard to imagine someone stealing a parrot from a busy store, like the Petland here in the Westridge Mall.
It has happened before, but we typically get the pets back. But it's a very rare case.
On Christmas Eve, a sun conure parrot, identical to the one you see here, was stolen. Floor manager Samantha Sherman says the pair were being held for a customer until after the holidays.
So that's the worst part about it, that it was already somebody's pet that they're looking to get back.
One thing about this particular type of parrot is that they are very social, as you can see, but that also makes them susceptible to thieves.
We hand-fed these from when they're babies, so that makes it a little bit easier for people just to pick them up and walk out with them, just because they are so social.
It's just like kidnapping a kid, basically.
Yeah, because once you have an animal and you're kind of attached to it, you kind of know where they are and who they are. And
Tessa Riggs and her daughter Diana visit Petland often. They were shocked to hear someone had managed to walk out with a parrot.
we play with the parrots, the ferrets, the crabs, the dogs. We play with like everything, and so it's kind of sad that a parrot actually got stolen from here and nobody saw anything.
Sherman says the store does have a security system in place. While they do have a suspect on video, she says they haven't been able to identify the person.
If the bird is returned by the end of the week, there will be no questions asked. We just want it back in our possession so we can actually make sure it's being properly taken care of.
James Ryan, KSNT News.
Known for their social demeanor and long lifespans, the sun conure parrot is native to South America and valued at $700.